Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to draw a 2D in AutoCAD software. Today I'll show how to draw a room in AutoCAD software. It will be helpful for IBT students who are taking the training on AutoCAD. So at first I am taking the new drawing, the new documents. That's why I'm click on this plus sign. Okay, done. Then I'm going to select the unit. That's why I'm pressing unit UNITS, enters. Then I'm going here, selecting engineering, and the precision will be 2 decimal, and it will be inches selected. Okay. Then I'm going to the note, and I'm going here. It will be the dimension, manage dimension. So I'm going to the modify. Then taking it engineering, and it will be also 0.022, and the scale will I'm taking it 6. Okay, then close it. Okay, then I'm going to select the color. That's why I'm pressing layer L, commanding layer layer, then enter. Then I'm going here for selecting new layer. Click on the cell, and the first one is window. Okay, I'm taking it this color. Okay, another layer is taking, and it will be for what? It will text, text. It will be text. I'm taking it text, and taking this color is red. You can take it another layer for column, another layer for wall, but I'm taking 2 layers. Okay, done. Then going to the home, I'm taking the rectangle from here, or I'm pressing REC rec, enter. It will be for column. So click one click, and we know that the column will be 60 inch by 15 inch, meaning is that 5 feet by 1 feet 3 inch. So 15 comma 60, enter. Okay, the column is done. You are watching, the column is done. Then the wall distance from here to here, it will be total 20 feet, meaning is that 20 feet, meaning is that 252 inch. That's why the middle distance will be 130 inch, because 60 and 60 120 will be gone, so rest of the length will be 132. So I'm taking the line from here, or I'm command here, it will be 132 inch, 132, tab, and it will be 90 degree, enter. Okay, escape. Then I'm going to copy CO, enter. I'm copy this column, then again enter. I'm taking from this bottom, and I'm taking it here. So the total distance will be 252, 60, 132 plus 60. Again I'm taking the line command from here, and I'm taking it start from here, and it will be 264, 22 feet, 264 inch or 22 feet, and the angle will be 0. So the angles, that's why tab and 0, enter. Okay, escape. Then I am going to copy again, copy, enter, taking it, enter. I am taking from this point and take it, because the inside distance will be, right button is click and enter. The inside distance will be the 22 feet or 264 inch. I am taking again the line command and draw from here. Draw from here. It will be how much? 132 inch, 32, and the angle will be tab 90, enter. Escape. Then again copy, copy, and copy it, enter, and I am taking it from this distance and click here, right button and enter. Then I am taking it line command again, or right button is click, and here input is an input, or you can take it, or otherwise I am going here line, and from here to distance will be 80. I am taking it 80. There is no exact distance, 80, and the angle will be 180 degrees. So tap and 180, enter. Okay, done. Then I am taking it from here to here for window. Window is 7 by 5. I mean the length will be 7 feet. 7 feet means 84 inch. 84, tap 180 degree, enter. Then the rest of the part will be 60, tap 180 degree, and the door dimension is given, will be the 40. I mean how many here it will be generally generally 3 and 4, I mean 36 inch and 4 inch, so total 40 inch. So I am taking up to this, it is done. So escape. Then I am going to the offset here, or I am taking it F, enter, and the offset will be 5. I mean the wall will be 5 inch, so enter, and click on this, and another click, one click, another click inside, one click, another click inside, one click, another click, another, similarly. Okay, done. Then I am going to the line command again, and I am joining to this point here to here, then escape. I am taking the line command again. I am okay, from here to here, again escape, right button is click, again taking the input, I mean repeat line. Then I am taking it, okay, from here to here, right button is click and enter. Then I am taking the line command again. Then the middle point is here, arrow sign is indicating, so it will be 2 inch. Then escape, again right button is click, taking the line command again, and taking it from here, it will be also 2 inch, enter. Before going here, Ctrl Z again, and right button is select, line command is taken, so I am taking from here line, it will be 2 inch, tap 0 degree, enter. I am going here 40, tap 90 degree, enter. Okay, escape. Then I am going to take the arc, 3-point arc is selected, 3-point arc is selected, then one click, middle is 1, then join up to this point. Okay, you are watching it. So already covered this drawing. Then I am going to the window, offset is taking again from here. Okay, it will be 2 point, input will be 2.5, sorry, input will be 2.5, enter. Okay, again I am taking the offset, it will be 2.5 inch from here and here, and in the middle one. Okay, escape. Then I am selecting this portion, and I am going here, taking this window color. Okay, done. Escape. Then I am already select, I am taking this color is select again, then this portion and this line. going here and window color is taken. Okay, the window is done. Then I'm going to the text. The mouse is creating problem, so I'm going here and select the multiple where and drag it, then I'm taking it TECHNI, technical training, TRINIG training unit lab, enter 341. Okay, and I am taking it, the dimension would be 0.5, or I am taking it 3, be 3. Okay, done. Okay, I'm taking it again. I'm changing this color. What will be saying? Okay, then I'm taking it 5-inch, enter. Okay, done. You are watching it. I think everybody are understood. So thank you everybody for watching this video. You can change also the dimension from here to here, then you can also change the dimension